For families who are looking for affordable phones for their children, there are now telephones in the $100 range that can almost pass through flagship phones remotely. The Blu Vivo XL3 now costs $109.99. Blu is also launching an additional Blu Vivo XL3 Plus phone. Both are cheap phones, and with today's discount, there are no other phones in their price range that have similar characteristics to those of a similar flagship. Both are almost non-bezel and have advantages like a fingerprint sensor, decent storage options, and the Vivo XL3 runs on the latest version of Android. They are not laggy phones with cheap-looking designs, but they are really good imitations of $900 phones. I've been testing the Blu Vivo XL3 since mid-March and discovered that if I did not have an iPhone 8 Plus and was buying on a limited budget, this phone would have served me well. With a Mediatek 6737 processor and a Mali-T729 GPU, the phone opens applications quickly in Android 8.0 Oreo, without much delay. It also does not come with many unnecessary applications or extra smart wizards, and it has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which is not bad for a $100 budget phone. You can also add a microSD card for an additional 64 GB of storage.